In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live with GoPro and OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have your GoPro feeding cleanly into OBS over a simple USB connection ready for streaming or recording. Before we jump in, make sure OBS Studio is installed on your Windows PC, your GoPro is charged, and you have a USB-C cable that supports data, not just power. First, download and install the GoPro webcam desktop utility for Windows from GoPro's official website. This small app installs the driver and background service that let your computer recognize the GoPro as a standard webcam. Once it's installed, you should see a GoPro webcam icon in your system tray. If Windows asks for permissions during installation, approve them so the driver can load correctly. Next, plug your GoPro into the PC using a USB-C cable. For the most reliable connection, use the original or a high-quality data-rated cable and connect directly to a USB port on your computer rather than a hub. If your PC has a blue USB 3.0 port, that's a good choice for consistent bandwidth. Turn on the camera, you should see a small USB icon on the GoPro screen. That icon confirms the camera is communicating with your computer in webcam mode. If you don't see it, try reseating the cable, unlocking the camera if it's asleep, or switching to another USB port. Keeping the battery charged helps maintain a stable link even though power is coming over USB. Now open OBS Studio. In the sources box at the bottom, click the plus button and choose Video Capture Device. This tells OBS you're adding a live video input. Give it a clear name like GoPro, then click OK. Consistent naming makes it easier to manage multiple scenes and cameras later. In the device dropdown, select GoPro Webcam. You should immediately see a live preview from your GoPro. If you want, you can adjust resolution and frame rate here. Leaving them at default is fine to start, and you can fine-tune later based on your lighting and performance needs. Note that the GoPro webcam feed is typically video only, so plan to add your microphone as a separate audio input capture in OBS for the best sound quality. If GoPro webcam doesn't appear in the device list, restart the GoPro webcam utility. Use the system tray icon to quit it, then relaunch or disconnect and reconnect the camera after a few seconds. A quick PC restart can also clear driver hiccups. That's it. Resize the GoPro source in your scene, lock it in place, and you're ready to go live from OBS with your GoPro as a crisp, reliable camera. Happy streaming.